Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change background image on Google Chrome. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So you need to click in the right bottom corner, customize Chrome, click on that option. And here you can find different images. As you can see that, you can select anyone, but if you want, you can upload from your device. So you can upload any image from here. So let me for example show you. You can select this one. As you can see, click on right. So I am going to select this one, landscape, and you can find different landscape images here. So I'm going to select this one and click on done in the bottom, and here you can see that background image is changed on my Google Chrome. So this is a process by which you can change background image on Google Chrome. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.